basically what I'm going to do is, let me record this. I start recording with VoiceMeeter, and I'm also recording from the Active Presenter at the same time. Okay, let's play some YouTube. Donald Trump. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Under
and what
one
you'll be
God,
hearing,
saluting one
two
American
of the voice.
flag.
And I'm trying to lower this, right? But I think you can still hear very strong voice from Donald Trump. I'm not sure, because I can hear very low voice from Donald Trump, but I'm not sure if you are hearing this as well. Okay, and
go out
and
vote. Vote tomorrow. Vote the next day, but definitely vote.
Let's say, but close it to B1.
No matter how you feel. No matter
what is B1. Okay.
Get up.
Okay, I can still hear Donald Trump. I'm not sure if you can hear Donald Trump.
Together, we will make America wealthy again.
I can't hear Donald Trump now.
We will make America strong again.
But I can pretty sure
we will make America safe again. And we will make America great again. God bless you. God bless you.
Make it a little bit down. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Live satellite news.
One, 2, 3. Record. I start recording with VoiceMeeter, and I'm also recording from the Active Presenter at the same time. Okay, let's play some YouTube. Donald Trump. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Under
and
one God, saluting one American flag.
And I'm trying to lower this, right? But I think you can still hear very strong voice from Donald Trump. I'm not sure, because I can hear very low voice from Donald Trump, but I'm not sure if you are hearing this as well. Okay, and
go out and vote. Vote tomorrow. Vote the next day, but definitely vote. And if you haven't voted by November 8th, no matter how you feel, no matter how bad things are, get up and vote. We have to vote.
I can still hear Donald Trump. I'm not
sure
if you can hear Donald Trump.
Together, we will make America wealthy again.
I can't hear Donald Trump now.
We will make America strong again.
But I can pretty
we will make America safe again. And we will make America great again. God bless you. God bless you, Tampa.
A little bit down. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You're watching live satellite news.